Hi, I'm Dr. Andy Fetterman with RebuildDoc.com and our neuropathy protocols. We're going to go over the Nerve Stimulator unit for your home care. So what we have here is the Nerve Stimulator. We have Epsom salts, which you can also buy extra, whether it be on Amazon or some other local supplier or CVS. We have our bucket here, and we have my feet. So how we're going to do this, now we're not going to put water here, but you want to do lukewarm water up to 105 degrees temperature. So it should not be boiling hot, but it should be warm because that'll help with conductivity. We use the Epsom salt because that helps with the foot bath that you're able to put in. So you put a little bit in each side, so that helps with the conductivity of the current. After we do that, we want to power up our unit. This is a rechargeable unit. Do not have it plugged into the charger. When you try to use it, it will not work properly. When you turn on the device, you have a foot or hands, and you have a timer that is there as a preset for 30 minutes. Depending on your recommendations, that your session will be between 15 to 30 minutes for the area of the body that we're treating. We have these non-stick pads that go with the nerve stimulator that work with the foot bath. If you do not use the foot bath, you may use sticky electrodes that can go and be applied to certain areas, whether it be for travel or for personal preference. We put one pad of each into the water that we've put the salt in with it. We put our feet in submerged. The water line should be just about at the ankle or above that to fully submerge the feet. The foot bath will give better current and actually amplify the therapy more so than what you're going to get if you were to do the pads, but understandably the pads might be a preference or travel. We then go ahead and we increase on our device by the touch screen the strength of the device. You want to go to a point of that it's going to be strong, you can feel it, or to the highest level that you can tolerate. It should not be painful, but you should feel it to some degree. And you must make sure that you're putting your feet or your hands. The timer will automatically start. There's a pause and a start button right here, and there's also a lock mechanism. This will cycle on and off because of the way that the current is being applied to the feet. Now, if you wish to do this with your hands, you may use the foot bath as well for your hands. Put fresh water in it with warm water. You can then apply your hands fully into it. Do the same thing, but obviously start the unit first and put your hands. Do not submerge the unit. Leave it outside of the water. Again, thank you. My name's Dr. Andy Fetterman with RebuildDoc.com.